Hello, hello. Welcome for our another video tutorial, okay? Trading tutorial. So right here, right now, we are looking at pyramid trading, okay? Exit strategy. This exit strategy is necessary because everybody knows how to enter, knows where to place stop loss, but in taking profit, most lose their profit. Okay? They don't know where to take profit. So this is exit strategy. The answer that the question that we are about to answer here is how to make more money when you are right. Okay? When your technical analysis is right, how can you make more? Okay, that's the answer. That's a question that we will be answering. Okay, so if you are shorting a market, okay, if you are shorting a market, there are different types of movement in the market. For example, this is also applicable to long position, okay? So for example, there is a drop like this, and then goes like this, and then drops again, okay? That's a first drop. There's another drop like this, and then bounce back. And there is a drop like this, rally, drop, base, drop. Okay, so we have a drop, base, drop, base, drop. And then there is this one. You have a clean drop and then have a clean pump. So recovered right away. Okay, so this strategy works here and works here. But how can we make it work to even here and even here? That's through adjusting the time frame. Okay? For example, you are already in profit, so how can you make more? So let me show you an example here. So for example, you have a entry here. Okay, this is your entry, sell short. Okay, that's your sell short position here. And then why you are selling short there? Because a breakout in this area it means more to the downside. So it break out, your entry got triggered, it retested your entry from our drop base drop perspective, and then drops again, and then went up, and then drops again. Okay, breaking again this level here. So now you are already in profit from this trade. Okay, you are already in profit from this trade. The question, if you are new in trading, you have already taken profit here. Instead, when you see it going up, you take profit here because you get scared. Okay? So in this strategy, what I'm teaching you is you can be patient and you can make more. Okay? So you have a, for example, 50 position, $50 position. Okay? And now you have a drop. So if you see a drop and then you find a resistance, consolidation, others call it order block, other calls it box. Okay, so there is a consolidation area, but we'll call it a resistance or support. Once it breaks, you can open, add another margin. Okay, add another margin. So if you are trading in $50, then once this breaks, there is more to the downside. Okay, once this breaks, let me erase. Once this breaks, that's a sell position again. So from $50, now you are going to make another $50. You are going to place position another here. And then you find the resistance again. So now your entry your entry right here is now move, let's say somewhere right here, because this is already a little lower. Okay, you are already 100% profit here, 100% profit. But because you open this position, you are now 50% profit only. Okay, it found a support again and bounce, and then it broke. So once it breaks this support here, okay, once it breaks, another margin, add another one, 50 again. So that's pyramid trading. Every time it continues to go your way, you keep adding. Okay? Another retest here, and then bounce, bounce, and then it broke. You can add another one. Okay? As it continues to go down, you keep adding. When are you going to take profit? That's the question. Your profit taking is not at the bottom. For example, it drop here and then bounces again and breaks again this level. So drop. So if you still have funds, you can add another one and then find a bottom. Okay, you found the bottom now. What happens next is it found a resistance. So when you found a resistance, you put another line. Okay, you put another line right there, and then it can bounce back and forth here, and then it did not break this area. It did not break. So now you are about to take profit. Where are you going to take profit? You take profit here? Don't take profit there. Okay, because if you take profit here, there is more to the downside there. You only take profit once it starts reversing. Okay, because it will always reverse. Okay, so you are just maximizing instead of taking profit here. Okay, at TP when scared or TP when happy, you can drag your position up to here and you are able to take profit in this area. When you see that this resistance has become a support, it has become a bouncing area. So you are going to take profit in this area because it's about to change direction. Okay? So instead of making this drop here is 100%. Okay? So if it's 100%, that means you made $50 for this drop here. Instead of making $50, okay, from 100%, you have, how much did you added? 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. You have a 250 trade. And then if you made, let's say, you just made at least a 50% because of the pyramid trading. Instead of 100, you made 50%. With your 50% trade, you have a $250. So 250 and then 50% is 125. So you made $125. Instead of making $50 from 100%, you made $125 from a 50% profit. Okay? So that's a lot better than taking profit here because you don't know where to exit, so you have this pyramid strategy. Okay? Okay, I hope this is clear. If you have any question, drop your question in the comment below. Okay? Or join our Telegram community. I've been teaching this in our Zoom classes and everybody is making money with our signal. Okay? Let me show you an example. Okay. So, let's play this one here. Okay, you see a drop and then a test here and then a breakout and then drops again and then you put what I do usually is I put alarm. Okay, so you just click this line here and then you see this alarm. So when I am busy, so I put alarm. Okay, so when I hear the alarm, that's when I place market order, add margin. Okay, you add margin to your trade. Okay, so you add margin. So you keep adding until the downside. Okay, once you see the alarm. Okay, let's continue the play. Oops, just hitting, and then hitting, and then there, breakout. Once you break this one, you can see a really strong drop. And then another support is building here. Okay, break again, another order here. And then this one, support, and then breaks again, more order again. Okay, and then continually the drop continues. Okay, this is just in 3 minutes time frame. Okay, so basically, this depends on your time if you want to watch because I do this when I give a signal in 9 p.m. Sometimes I close the position, it's already 1 a.m. Okay, so it depends on your availability. If you are busy, so you use 3 minutes. If not that, you can have 5 minutes time frame, but it's good to use 1 minute or 3 minute for pyramid trading. Okay, 1 minute and 3 minute is for pyramid trading. Okay, you are making more. Okay, your goal is to make more instead of taking profit early. Okay, early take profit. Okay, so right here we find support. We find support. Okay, we are bouncing back and forth here, and now, yeah. So we can see once you break this area here, you know that this is a change of trend already. Okay, so you can close your position once you break this area right here. Okay, and it seems like it is going to break. Okay, so it's retesting. So once it breaks, your your previous support and turn resistance, if it breaks, then you know it's already a change of direction. You close your position here. Okay? Okay. So I hope you learned something new. This is our practical group. Make sure you join our Telegram community, okay? We drop signal here every day, every afternoon, and every evening, okay? Okay. So all the best, everyone. Let's make more money. See you in practical. We have a YouTube channel also. This is our YouTube channel. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. And we do live stream every 6 p.m. MWF. And Thursday, and Tuesday we have 8 p.m. live stream. Okay, and then raffle every Sunday. We have a raffle every Sunday. So here's the video. 100 views. Okay, yeah, that's our live every day. And then we have our TikTok. Okay, this is our TikTok right here. Okay, so you can follow also 12.3 followers already. Okay, all the best, all the best. Let's make more money. Cheers. Bye bye.